So in this screen recording, I am going to introduce you to a Google Forms add-on called Doc Appender. In this video, I'll show you what it does, and in a separate video, I'll show you actually how to set it up. It's very powerful and it's very easy to use. So let's say I did it for my GCS students. For every time they leave for GCS, I just want a record. Okay, so my GCS students would go to my Tech Apps website and go to the GCS checkout. It's basically a Google form. If you want to just share a link with them, whatever. Okay, but this is now I made the form very simple. Okay, all it has is one question. It says to go to GCS, carefully choose your student ID from the drop-down list and submit the form. There can be several more questions if you want. Okay, but I'll show you how to set it up in another video. But here's what happens. Okay. They choose theirs, okay, whichever one is their student ID. As you can see, I use their ID, not their names, okay. Let's say this student chose it and was ready and hit submit. I'm not going to hit it yet because I want to show you something, okay. In my Google Drive, I've created a place that I want all these to be. So I created a folder called GCS Attendance, and for every student, I created a Google Doc. Just the name of the Google Doc was their ID. Whatever you name the Google Doc is what will show up on that Google form, okay. So you'll notice here, for student 10002, there is nothing on the doc, okay? But when they come here and check out to go, and they click submit, I want you to watch what the doc does. It appends the document, okay? Sometimes you have to hit refresh, sometimes it'll show up, okay? But I submitted there. I didn't even refresh. It just took a few seconds. And it just showed up that on 2/13 at 2:53, they went to GCS, okay? And those were the only fields I had. I didn't have anything else, so that's all it shows. But watch, if they were to go at another time later on, again, they choose themselves, and they click submit. And you'll notice on this doc, on the Google Doc, within a few seconds, it appends the document. It adds another row to it. This can be used for a ton of things. So it's really easy to set up, but I wanted to show you what it does. And so you can start thinking about the implications and the kinds of things you might want to keep track of, you might want to keep a log of, and just have to fill out a form that would just automatically add to that log. I hope you enjoyed it. I will show you how to set it up in a different video. See ya.